In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to move deals in Go High Level. By the end, you'll know exactly how to navigate to your pipeline, move opportunity cards between stages, and mark deals as won, lost, or abandoned with confidence. Start by opening your preferred web browser and searching for Go High Level. From the search results, click the official site so you land on the correct platform. On the home page, choose the option to log in to the app. At the sign-in screen, enter your login details or use the Sign In with Google option if that's enabled for your account. Keep your credentials secure and avoid saving them on shared devices. After signing in, you may see a prompt to choose which account to work in. Click the Switch option at the top, select the correct account, and confirm you're in the workspace where your deals live. Now, look to the left-hand sidebar and open Opportunities. This is where your pipeline is displayed as a board of columns, each one representing a stage in your sales process. If you land on a different view, click to open the Opportunities board so your deal cards are visible. Before you move anything, check the pipeline selector at the top of the page and make sure you're viewing the right pipeline. A pipeline is simply a sequence of stages for a specific workflow, like new leads, demos, or renewals. Picking the correct one ensures you're working with the right set of deals and seeing accurate totals. To move a deal, find the opportunity card you want to update. Click and hold the card to grab it, then drag it horizontally to the destination stage column, such as Qualified, Proposal Sent, or Follow-up, and Release. The move saves automatically. If your account has stage-based automations, those will trigger according to your settings, so give the system a moment to reflect the update. When you need to set a final outcome, you can mark a deal as won, lost, or abandoned. Click and hold the card, and while dragging, look for the status bar that appears along the bottom of the screen. Pull the card down to that bar and drop it onto the correct status. This removes it from the active pipeline and updates your reports and forecasts accordingly. A few quick tips as you work. Confirm you're in the right account and pipeline if something seems missing. You can always drag a card back if you move it by mistake, and allow a short moment for totals and automation logs to refresh after changes. That's all there is to it. You've learned how to log in, select the right account, open opportunities, choose a pipeline, move deals between stages, and mark outcomes in Go High Level.